Today I'm going to describe an engine that generates happiness. So the tripod that I'm using here isn't as tall as I'd like it to be, which means that I have to crouch like this. Normally that annoys me, but today that's okay, because when I stand up to write in my sketchbook, it looks like this. So I'm going to describe this happiness engine to you today. The reason today is the day that this is coming out is because earlier today I recorded the 4th series of videos for Verbal to Visual about designing curriculum, using visual thinking skills to design curriculum. And the 4th step was iterating over time. And there's this process of iteration that I described in that video that I realized after putting it together for that particular application is actually one of the core philosophies by which I live my life. So let's describe this happiness engine. The first step in this process, if you're not happy, is to make an adjustment. Step number 2, ask yourself the question, are you happier? If the answer is no, then ditch that adjustment. If you are happier, then keep that adjustment. Then go through that entire cycle again. Do this frequently enough and often enough throughout your entire lifetime, and you will live a happy life. So that cycle there is the reason that I'm not currently holding a physics PhD. It's the reason that I'm not at a coffee shop preparing for tomorrow's high school physics or math or ESL lesson. Those aren't bad things, but they aren't the things that the path toward those things weren't making me happy. So I made an adjustment, and I'm slowly starting to see the benefits of making those adjustments to my personal and professional life. So, my question for you today is this. Name one thing, just one, that's not making you happy right now. Make an adjustment, see if that makes you happier. If it does, keep it. If it doesn't, ditch it. Then do it again. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh yeah.